you doing? For today, I will be unboxing an order that I got from MACKAGE. It's the Joyce coat. It is a coat that you can wear like when the weather is transitioning, like winter to spring, fall to winter, I would say. It's very cute, so I'm excited to show it to you. This is the box that it came in, and it comes with this signature, I don't know what you call this, like a bag that you use when you're like traveling, like to keep it really nice and, you know, protected, I would say. So it has that one. It has a packing slip. It also has this one. It's super nice. So basically information on how to return it if you do want to return it. And it comes with a thank you card that says, "We hope you love your new MACKAGE last layer. We stand for a style that can take you anywhere, inspired by the energy of the city. Our design philosophy comes together with unique craftsmanship and a constant innovative spirit to deliver fashion-led function." Yeah. Okay, so let's open it. Okay. So this is the coat that I have. Just gonna open this. So it comes with a hanger too, and as you can see here, it has the MACKAGE logo. Let's just open it up. Ooh, and it's really gorgeous color. Ooh. All right, here it is. There. So it is a mixed media type of jacket. This would be like a down-filled front layer, and it has a jersey backside and also the sleeves. You can cinch it with this drawstring here. Let's see, like a close-up view of this. It has the MACKAGE logo there, and then you can press it so that if you want to tighten it to cinch your waist, so then you'll have like a more defined fit here. And it has like a raincoat material to it, so it's really good for, you know, sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy, sometimes windy weather. I can definitely get a lot of uses out of this because right now it's spring here in Winnipeg, and in this city you can get all 4 seasons in one day. So this is something that I can definitely use for sure. It has this really nice leather logo here as well, and then you have like pockets over here, which is super nice. You can see there MACKAGE on the bottoms as well. The one at the top part also has that, and then it has this leather tab. So this is the MACKAGE Joyce model. The size is medium and the color is petal. Wow, it is really nice. I love how they have the hangers too, and the hangers have the MACKAGE logo there. So, you know, it's really just for that one. This is the tag that came with it. It's basically just saying the model, the size, the color. And as for the conversion chart, this is a medium, so it's US 6 to 8, and it's basically true to size, what I would say. So there's no inner pockets here, but you have this tab here, you know, to hang it, which is really a nice feature. Not a lot of jackets have that one. This one is the MACKAGE logo, and then you have this one in the back too. Ooh, so this is the collar, and then you have the leather tab there with the MACKAGE logo. Wow, really nice feature. And then when you feel it, you actually know that it's made with like high quality materials. So let's give this a try. this is really nice. And then you can tighten this here. And then have like a cinch peplum look over here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Really very nice color. I love that it's like pink, you know, and the material is really nice. It is buttery soft. Definitely softer than my Lululemon. So I have this jacket from Lululemon. It is also like a little bit similar, you know. It's just that it's navy blue, but it doesn't have the down-filled front layer. But it has like a, not a raincoat material, but it has, I don't know what the type of cloth is, but I usually use this one in transition weather as well. It's very nice, light layer. As you can see with this jacket, it's like mixed media. You can wear it when it's rainy, you can wear it when it's windy, and then you can leave it open if you want, like if it's not too cold. So the thing with this is it's a very great coat for when you're in between seasons, you know, let's say spring. Based from my experience here during spring in Winnipeg is that you can have like all the 4 seasons in one day. So this type of coat will be perfect for that because sometimes it snows, sometimes it rains, sometimes it just gets like so hot. So this is a very good coat. Like this down layer here, it's just a thin material, you know, so it's perfect for when it's 15 and then windy.
There's only 2 seasons.
What?
Winter and not winter.
That's true. That's true. So, yeah. How do you like this coat?
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Without my eyeglasses on.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this, you can also fold it up. So you can, if you have like shorter arms like me, that's something that you can do. I really love this color. I mean, you can easily match this color with so many things in my closet, so I'm not too worried about matching it. And it's such a really nice feminine piece. So this is it. So thanks for watching, and I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so yet, please give this a big thumbs up and make sure that you click on the subscribe button with the notification bell also, that you will always be updated with every new post that I have. So thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog. Hello there! Hi, handsome. Going for a walk again. So nice outside.
Okay, model down the street. Unbelievable.